Hi, it's Heather from Real Imaging by Canaview, and I'm here today to guide you through touring around your digital twin. After your twin has loaded, you will start to see the interior of the house that you've been looking at. Now, you would like to know how to move around inside. Moving around inside is a combination of using the little white circles and clicking on them with your mouse. Those circles are locations where the camera has been during the scanning process. I've now used my arrow to the right to move me back around, or you can move to the left. Let's zoom up here by clicking. We can move forwards and use the arrow key to move backwards, etc. So it's a combination of clicking, using your mouse on the little white dots, and then using your arrow keys to move around inside. So let's walk through this house just a little bit further. We're going to go up a set of stairs here. We're going to get up into the main level of the house using this manual tour. If you find you would like to just have a nice preview of the house, you can come over here and press the play button. The play button starts a process called a highlight reel. The highlight reel is a predetermined tour of the house. As you can see, it starts me again from the very beginning. It's going to maneuver around by itself as a nice tour of the house. This gives you a very good overview of the house you're touring. The highlight reel follows this series of pictures that you can see here. So it tells you where you're going to go. So next we're going to go into a different view of the house before we pop up into where you can see the kitchen. So let's get into the kitchen, and then we're going to drop down out of the pictures of the highlight reel, and we're going to just click on the imagery. So at any time you want to stop and take a look, you can stop your highlight reel by clicking, and you can click on this pop-up just once and it goes back away. Over here you see a series of icons. The first one is View Dollhouse. The dollhouse view is the exterior, the sides, all around the house, almost like it was naked. You get to see how all the rooms line up on top of each other. You can use your arrow keys to tip and twist and move around from side to side. From there, you can also see a floor plan view. The difference is a floor plan view is from the top looking down. So you can use the floor plan view to take a look at each level. Now, the floor selector actually allows you to move through this floor plan view from level to level. This is currently the third floor with the bedrooms, second floor with the kitchen, living room. You see how it's all set up, down to where we started on the ground floor and the lovely entry area. So let's go back into the tour for a minute and let it play just for a second. So let's say you're going through, and now you would wonder how big some of the items are in the house. So I'm going to press and stop the tour again. Now, there's another little tool right here called a measurement tool. You never need another measuring tape again. You press the plus button, you drag your mouse over to where you want to measure. So let's measure the end of this island. Down over here, back over and click. You know now that the island is 3 foot 2 inches. If you want to know how big this desk area is, click again, start again, so you now know the desk is 3 foot 10 inches. These images of all the measurements will go away once you click out of the measuring tool. When you're in the measuring tool, you move around using that combination of clicking on using your mouse and the little white tool, using your arrow buttons to move you around. I'm going to get out of the measuring tool by clicking the X here, and we can then press play and start rolling around inside, taking a thorough and immersive tour of the digital twin of the property you're looking at. Hope you enjoy your Real Image by Canaview.